Welcome back, everybody. The snow is coming down a pretty good clip here for parts of the state. That's Highway 200 at BOWMAN'S corner. Rogers Pass road surface has been covered with snow. Look at this, Interstate 15, Sebin area. We've got some snow on the camera lens there and certainly coming down. MACDONALD Pass, roads now, surface of the roads covered with snow, and same goes with Helena. That snow coming down moderately to even heavy, you could tell based on the limited visibility. Temperatures just a couple of degrees below the freezing point here. There you can see just off towards the north, it's colder, but the colder stuff is just going to slowly build south and build into and across the state here. Wind chill values above zero for the time being, but yeah, it's pretty chilly. 10 degrees is what the wind chill feels like in the Cut Bank, 12 in Lewistown. And speaking of Lewistown, Havre, Cut Bank, even though probably most of the snow is over with the Cut Bank area, still looking at storm totals of about 1 to 3, maybe 4 inches in the lower elevations, and as much as 6 to 7 into the mountains. Good little storm coming through here, and where you see the darker blues, that's where we've got some of the heavier snow coming down. Again, radar doesn't necessarily pick up the snow so well in the Helena area because it's blocked by the Big Belt Mountains. The radar site coming out of Great Falls just can't go through the mountains here. But look at some of that heavy snow. Again, southern Cascade County, Lewis and Clark County. The snow already beginning to ease up, though, around the Cut Bank area. Even out through Judith Basin County, we've got some good snow coming down. Havre had a little burst earlier. Also out the Highline had a burst earlier. And there may be a couple of little additional snow showers developing behind the main line of snow. So get into some of these little bands of snow here, and there may be an inch or two of additional accumulation with some of those setting up as we go through the night. But by about midnight, the snow will be over with in Great Falls for the most part, moving away from the Helena area. Tomorrow morning, it's in southwestern Montana, and we still may again have a few of these heavier snow showers through about 7 or 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. And we go into about 8 o'clock, even the little belts maybe until about noontime here. Windy and not a lot of sun in eastern Montana. We also may hold on to some of that cloud cover just to the north of the mountains here. The big belts, the little belts around the high woods and the big snowy. So some low-level moisture may get stuck here until maybe later in the evening. So prospects for sun increase as we go through the afternoon, but we really don't completely clear out until Thursday night. Friday morning will be clear, and it'll be a nice day on Friday, just a little on the chilly side. So additional snow, yeah, kind of more south of Great Falls out to around the Little Belts and around the Helena area, and then certainly down there around Red Lodge, picking up some good snow as well. Tonight, still a few more hours of snow, and of course it's been snowing for a few hours, and now the wind is going to pick up, and the temperatures will begin to decrease here. So kind of a wintry night out there. Careful driving. Tomorrow morning as well, more clouds, little sun breaking through late morning into the afternoon, and we have a couple of snow showers. Windy in eastern Montana. Wind chill values 10, 20 below tomorrow. Now Friday, the wind picks up across the plains. Valley locations will be colder with inversions setting up, and same goes for the weekend. How about Bozeman? Temperatures around kickoff maybe in the teens. So keep that in mind. And then Sunday, looking at even some warmer temperatures moving in. We could go up into the 40s as we get into next week, leading into Thanksgiving.